Archie loves to drive his car every day. The cat jumps high in the air. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. They eat their lunch in the park. The dog barks loudly every night. I like to read my favorite book. The flowers bloom in the spring. But plays with his toy car. We eat ice cream on hot days. The fish swims in the big pond. Christine is a very bright student in the class. Archie is a very wealthy man. Isaac is a very smart kid. Boobwit likes to study his lessons after class. My mother bakes delicious cakes. The father loves his family. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.